I like the Björk. It's looking like some serious Björk. I wonder what it would be like at the peak of tourist season. All right, we are at Taverna Tradicional, a little bit outside of the old town. Crazy, highly reviewed traditional food, so we're gonna go check that out. And then if there's any daylight, we'll go into the old town. If not, we'll just do it at night. I'm sure either way it'll still be interesting. Anyways, looking forward to the grub. We got some spinach Björk. Björk is the first one. It's my brother right here. What's your name, brother?
My name is Giuliano.
Giuliano, nice to meet you.
Giuliano, Italian name.
Oh, Giuliano. Giuliano, I like it, man. Nice name.
We are Italian. Yes.
Giuliano, I like it. I like the Björk. It's looking like some serious Björk. Look at this madness. We got the stuffed pepper and we got the stuffed eggplant with the yogurt in the middle. Got the Björk. Oh, there we go. Some extra yogurt just in case you needed it. This is looking like a feast right now. I'm loving this. Oh man, and the thing is this is right next to the castle, guys. So make sure you go towards where the aqueduct sign is and walk up, because so far this looks pretty incredible. How long have you had this place, brother?
It's second year when I work normal.
Oh, okay.
1 year before the COVID, no.
Yeah.
Second year when I work normal season.
Oh, right on. Okay, well, I'm getting into the food, brother. Let's see. Willem and Derek. Wow. This is definitely one of the best meals I've had in Albania, you know, without a doubt. And he brought us dessert, like.
Yeah.
This looks even crazier.
Okay, guys.
Amazing.
Here.
This is definitely the best place that I've been.
Gazua.
Salud. Wow.
What do you think?
Sometimes rakia is a little like.
This
tastes very good.
I'm gonna sip.
Wow, that was actually not bad. Like I've had rakia where I can't really drink it. That was.
It's good.
This was
I think this is a little more smoother than the one that we did in the cave.
This is like some down-home, freshly made rakia.
I think you just have to drink it and not think about it.
Remote, hi, bye, yo. What do you think?
I'm gonna sip because I'm
Strong.
drinking the wine.
Baba dem. Alright guys, you gotta come eat at Taverna Tradizionale. Oh my god, the food is off the hook.
Yes.
The people are great. This is a spot. Come if you're gonna be in Gjirokaster, come eat here.
Valentine?
Yo, what's up with the guys? So we are in the old bazaar at night. Let's go see what this is all about. Yo, what's up with it, guys? So we are doing a little night walk around the old bazaar in Gjirokaster. Obviously it's COVID, so it's not as touristy as it could be, but still pretty lively for how small it is. Very cool little spot. Overall, thumbs up on Gjirokaster. I wouldn't really call this a nightlife, but it is still, you know, still got some energy. It's pretty cool. Check out the bazaar, guys. So this is like the main intersection here. Everything sort of ends up right here. So no matter which way you go, if you go up, it just loops back around. And then there's alleyways that kind of jet off of it and take you into these kind of crazy side blocks of the old city. Very, very cool spot. I wonder what it would be like at the peak of tourist season. This place is a total gem. It's an incredible experience coming here.
What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.